being in Rome and being in Shanghai during ISP is a great opportunity to see firsthand how different customers deal with some of these issues, how different manufacturers deal with some of these issues, and then bring that together in discussions and case studies and conversations with speakers, site visits.
We would talk about lean production in different parts of the world, and then we visited Kodak in China and got to see it. It was great to hear the lecture and then have it reinforced within a site visit.
The most interesting site visit for me would have to be the Principe Pallavicino winery and vineyard in Italy. The cool thing about winemaking in Italy is that it's very steeped in tradition and history, and that really shows in this visit. It's very interesting. They stick to traditional methods. They don't use additives or anything like that.
Groups of students are selected to work with these companies and nonprofit organizations to help them develop solutions, ideas about addressing these problems. And it's kind of like a mini internship, but it's very accelerated. I think it's a fantastic learning opportunity.
And so we were able to visit wind farms and a hydroelectric facility, and to get that hands-on experience and really see those technologies up close and personal. That wasn't an opportunity that I had up until this point, and so I was really grateful for that experience.
We visited a green building which received the Platinum certification by the U.S. Green Building Council that recognizes the performance of the building with respect to water savings, energy efficiency, air quality, and use of materials.
I was able to go inside the buildings and see the actual systems that I was supposed to be researching, and I was able to meet with people who knew so much more about the specifics of my studies than I even knew existed.
We will not go on a site visit without having the students work on an assignment during that visit.
And at Kodak, we got some information about the financial standing and some of the problems Kodak had, and we came back to the classroom and talked about it. It wasn't necessarily something positive all the time. Sometimes it was very critical, and again, you got to see how someone who studies business actually goes into a business, hears what the person is saying, comes back and says, what did you guys think?
Some of the tours that were done in Rome included the visit to a fossil fuel power plant, a photoelectric facility, a hydroelectric plant, and a solar energy center.
For example, we went to a solar power plant. Everyone who was there was really excited to be there and really happy to show you what they were doing. And it really enforced the classroom stuff. You'd go to class and learn about what a solar panel does, and then you'll go there and the Italians will tell you everything you've ever wanted to know about it.
I'm Chelsea Andrews, and I spent my summer in Rome and Shanghai with Rensselaer's International Scholars Program.